Welcome to TOPUP.BRAVE9JA.com.ng, the home of data. At TOPUP.BRAVE9JA, we offer different types of services like cable services, data services, and airtime services. Our cable services allows the user to be able to pay and access your favorite shows, movies, sports events, and more. With various subscription packages available, you can customize your entertainment experience to match your preferences. While our data services allows you to choose from a variety of data packages that suit your usage needs and stay connected with your friends, family, and colleagues. With our airtime services, you can easily top up and recharge your talk time balance even at the go. To get started, kindly click on the Register a Login button at the top of our page. You will be directed to the login and registration form where you can create an account or login if you're an existing user. Kindly fill out the form if you're a new user in order to gain access to your user dashboard. After registration, please sign and click Proceed to continue. Once on your user dashboard, where you can see informations regarding your account with us, also you will get a referral message and link which enables you to earn while referring your friends and family. To enjoy our referral program, ensure you upgrade your account to Brave Referral Plan and receive an upgrade bonus of 500 Nigerian Nairas. Earn 10% funding commissions from your referees. Minimum bonus withdrawal is 3,000 Nigerian Nairas. This is partnership profit. You can also fund your wallet by clicking the Funds button, which enables you to purchase any part of our services you prefer. You can also download our app for easy access to your account and at your convenience. On your dashboard page, options are available to help you navigate and keep up to date with your transactions, as well as providing you with support team ready to help you through the process. The user can also fund his wallet by clicking the navigation bar and selecting the Funds option, which will trigger a drop-down of the available method for the user to pay with. On selecting an option, you will see 3 payment options on the page shown. Firstly, you can pay with our automated funding option, which allows you to generate a unique account number for your payment. Note that this account is only specified for you only. After the generation of accounts, can be able to pay through Wema or Sterling Bank. The second payment option is card payment and payment gateway, which is highly recommended. On this payment option, kindly enter the amount you wish to credit on your wallet. Select a payment gateway. We kindly recommend you select the Paystack option, as it allows you to pay not only with bank cards, but as well as transfer and other options as well. The third and last option we have is the manual bank transfer method, which will provide you with an alternative account number to make a payment to and verified your payment to get credited seamlessly. Upon a successful payment completion, your account will be funded immediately, and you can see the amount on your dashboard page, as well as at the top of your navigation bar. Moving on, in order to purchase a data subscription, kindly press the Buy Data on the nav bar. The next page will show you where you can select the network and data type for your data subscription. On the Select Network option, choose your preferred network. In our case, we will choose Airtel. On the data type, kindly select the corporate option. On the data plan option, pick any desired amount. Please note that all our data plans option validity is for 1 full month. Add the number which you want to make subscription for and click on Purchase to pay your favorite plan. You can also purchase airtime by clicking the Buy Airtime button. You will be directed to a similar page. Click on the network option and select which preferred network. On the airtime type option, kindly select the VTU option. Add your mobile number and amount, then click on Purchase to top up your airtime. Thank you for choosing us.